Good morning guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa bagong seawall, Pilar Poblacion Pier. This is a Don Picasso Road from Pilar town proper going to Tinago, crossing the sea. Yan, over there guys. This is ideal for walking. Diba guys? Ganda ng dagat ngayon. Very calm. Ayan o. Yan ang Pilar Poblacion. Every day or every other day, this is my favorite place for walking. You know guys, walking is the best exercise. Especially for us or any age, you can take a walk for an exercise. Oh guys, let us see the view of the sea. And that is the port, the pier of Pilar over there. Yan, dami ng mga ferry boat na galing sa Masbate. Yan, I will take a walk here for 30 minutes. Gusto mo magpahinga? O, dito. Yan. Guys, walking muna si Madam. Bye!